Oh, thank you for watching this video. In this video, I'm going to talk about reclassify transactions. So transaction could be expense or certain income, Okay, income type. And this feature is uh, available if you have QuickBooks Online Advanced version. So if you have other versions, uh, you can't do the reclassify transactions like uh, the advanced version has that feature. So I'm gonna go through all that and explain it to you. It's worth it or not. So if you already have it, then might as well use it. If you need it. Otherwise, you need to think about it. Advanced version is kind of expensive. Okay, so if you have any questions, anything, just leave a comment about this video or any other videos we have. And so I'm going to go to QuickBooks Online Advanced. Okay, so I'm going to go to QuickBooks Online Advanced right here. And basically just go to the gear icon, and under Tools, you see Reclassify Transactions. If you have QuickBooks Online Accountant, they already have that feature for a long time. So they added to this advanced version. But if you don't have the advanced, then you won't see it. But for expenses, you can still do the battery class. I'll show you that if you have a plus, or other plans. Reclassify transaction, just click it, and you will see all these. The reason, it could be anything you want to reclass. Like in here, for example, let's go through this here. Any account, you want to reclass, you can do it. Let's just go through in here. Let's just do the expenses first. Okay, let's just say these are job materials. I just want to move it from deck and patios to plant and soil. So just click that one, and it will list these two transactions, and just select all or just one. So if you have like 50 or more, or whatever, you don't want to do it one at a time, right? And let's do reclassify, and we just want to move this from deck to plants and soil. Just select plants and soil. See, it's the plants and soil expands, and apply it. So it's done. It moved from the other one to plants and soils. So that's pretty easy, right? So normally what you want to do is if you have uh, sub account and parent account, if you have certain transactions that's going to your parent account by error, or you added the sub account later on, so you want to come here and you can reclassify to your sub account. The parent account shouldn't have any transaction at all, so and it will not will look nice on your P&L. And uh, and if you don't have a let's say advanced, but if you want to reclassify and you have assign vendor, you can still do it from here too. See, go to expenses and go to the expenses. Actually, go to the vendor. So it's by vendors. So you just go to vendors. Okay. And so anything let's say this one has certain transactions, the insurance agency. Okay. So let's say you want to reclassify this to, let's say, some other account, these are different types. So let's just do this one. Okay. Certain accounts you can't transfer it because this one is a, bill payment check. So that's why. Let's just try it again. So you can't do it. See, gray one. So certain ones you can't do it, and these two probably can do it. This one and this one, the bill one. So you can move it to, let's say, professional. Let's say accounting. So that one is done. You see what we want to, or you can just change it from here to one account. So this one, if you do not have a advanced one. So for this one, the check one, the bill paid, so you have to view and then you have to do it differently. Like in here. So this is the bill payment. So you can do the bill payment. So it has to be expense type. So you have to click it and then from here you can do it. So certain types you can't do it, like bill payment. It's not expense. It's just basically uh, you know, you're debiting your accounts payable and crediting your bank account of that. And this one is basically going to income statement expense type. Okay, so now let's go back to the reclassify for transaction for the income account. Okay, let's say you want income design and you want to move it to some other account type, you know. All right, let's just do this. So you have to select where you want it. And let's say you want the job material. See what happens. Remember, this one is sales receipt and the other ones are invoice type. See, it says we can apply those changes. What that means is whenever you create sales forms like invoice or sales receipt, it goes through the product and services code, not directly to your income account. So that's why. So you can do that one. So it's invoice, sales receipt, and those you can't reclassify it. But if you have like a categorized income from your from categorized income account, not creating invoices or sales receipt, from your bank account going to income, then you can reclassify to other account. Let's just go in here, bank transactions, and see if there is any income that you could reclass. Okay, let's just see if we can figure out. See, these are all the matching with the invoices, so they don't have a. Yeah, so here's another one. Okay, so this is the one. This is the one services. So this is the $200 services one on 403. So this $200 services, it's going to probably this one. So this is invoice two. Okay, just a second here. Yeah, these are all invoices. Here's one. Okay, so this one you can do it. So let's just reclass to any place you want now. It doesn't matter. So let's say by mistake you went to income account. You could do income or sales account. Let's just say this is the job material. It's a job materials income type. So this is the income of plant and soil. Let's just say. So that one. So there's another one here. See, so it has to be for the income type, or even for the expense type. A certain expense type or income type, you could reclassify in BATS. Certain you can't. If it's like a uh, invoice, sales receipt, and also bill payment. There's nothing to reclass. You basically create a bill, and so you have to reclass the bill itself. Okay, so that's the focus of this video. Uh, Hope it's helpful. Thank you. Bye.